Hello friends, we'll see the topic sets. So what is sets? Sets are used to group the object together. So object means the object in a set which has the similar properties. Suppose if we take an example of the student who are currently enrolled in a college. So this group of students, those who have enrolled in the college, makes a set. So let's see the definition. A set is an unordered collection of distinct objects called element or member of a set. So as we have taken the example of the students which are enrolled in a college, so each and every student means a single student is an element. We can say it is an element or the member of a set. Suppose if we say this A, we can read this as A, we can read as A belongs to capital A. This capital A denotes to a set and this small a denotes to an element. So we will say A is an element of a set A. If this A does not belong to the set, then we will say A does not belong to A, which means A is not an element of set A. So as we have taken the example, this capital A, this we always denote the set as in a upper case letter and the elements in that set in a lower case letter. So we always denote in a curly bracket. Okay, these elements are always in a curly bracket and separated by comma. So this is a rooster method or set builder method. Suppose if we take an example, A is a set which contains an element 2, 6 and 3. We'll say 2 belongs to a set A. We have denoted here 2, this is a belongs to sign A. We will say 2 is an element of a set A or 2 belongs to set A or 2 is an in a set A. Okay, we will say in any of this format. Okay, you can say 2 is an element of a set A or 2 belongs to set A or 2 is in A. So next let's see the example how to build a set. Suppose there is a question that the set V, this is set name. Okay, V of all vowels in English alphabet can be written as, we'll write, suppose you want you are asked the question that you should build a set for the vowel. Okay, so the vowel are A, E, I, O, U. So we have denoted here V, a set equal to A, E, I, O, U. So see here, next question is the set O. Okay, the set name is O of odd positive integer less than 10 can be expressed. How will I express odd positive? Odd positive number are 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So we have built the set of 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Okay, next is set of all positive integer less than 100. Before that, you need to know which are the integer, positive integer, which are the real number, which are the rational number. We'll see it. Okay, so let's see the question. A set of all positive integer less than 100. So which are the less than 100? From 1. Okay, we'll say integer means it will start from 1, 2, 3 up to 99. Okay, because 99 is less than 100. So see here, the set of all positive integer less than 100 that is 1, 2, 3 up to 99, because 99 is less than 100. So next example, a set of all integer less than 0. Okay, which are the sets that are less than 0? You know, -1, -2, -3, these are less than 0. So up till infinity. Okay, so S, we have denoted S. If they has not given the set name, you can take any of the set name, that A, B, C, as per your choice. Okay, next, B, be the set of multiple of 5 between 8 and 28. So which are the numbers that are multiple of 5? 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay, these are the multiple of 5. So be the set of 10, 15, 20 and 25. So next, before that, you need to know the number set. So which are the natural number, which are the integer, which are the positive integer, which are the real number. So natural numbers which contain 0, 1, 2, 3 up till infinity. Integer which contain a set positive, negative and 0. Okay, all the positive number, all the negative number up till infinity and the 0. So positive we denote by Z plus, and it contain all the positive 1, 2, 3 up till infinity, and integer we denote by Z, and natural number we denote by N. Okay, then next, rational numbers. Which are the rational numbers? The rational number which can be ratio. Okay, which can be in a ratio format. Okay, then irrational numbers, pi, e, √2, these are the irrational numbers. Next is the real numbers. Real number contain rational, irrational, integer, natural. This, all the combination of this all is a real number. Then next comes the imaginary numbers. Imaginary numbers, you know, I square equal to -1. See here, I square is -1. This is the standard notation. Okay, this is the standard denoted. Okay, this is the standard form, and we can say I equal to √-1. Okay, we can also write like this: complex number which is the combination of imaginary and the real numbers. See, a plus bi. We can take an example, 2 plus 3i. This is an example. Okay, the next comes the set builder notation. Before that, we have said the rooster method or the set builder method, and now we will see the set builder notation. Okay, so it is the notation that we use in order to build the set. It contains the set of the similar properties which are the member of it. Okay, so this is how we denote x. This x is an element. So this is the where x has a property p. So we will read a set of all x. For this first x, we will say a set of all x such that x has the property p. Okay, such that x has the property p. So suppose you are told to build a set of O of all the odd positive integer less than 100. Okay, and can be written. How we will write is, we will say x set of all x. Okay, set of all x such that x is an odd positive integer less than 10. Okay, so this is how we will write x, the set of all x such that x is an odd positive integer less than 10. Okay, in the question they have asked to form a set of odd positive integer less than 10. So this is the notation, or you can also write x belongs to z plus. This is positive integer. We have seen z plus means positive integer such that x is odd and x is less than 10. In both form you can write it. Okay, next is write a set for q plus. Okay, all positive rational numbers can be written as, so how you will write? See, like this. Okay, q plus, this is a set name where x belongs to R such that x equal to p ratio q for all some positive integer p and q. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.